In the world of hacking, there's one rule above all else: stay undetected. Anonymity isn't just an option, it's a matter of survival. Today, we're diving into why staying anonymous is crucial for hackers, and how you can protect your own digital footprint from prying eyes. Number 1. Why anonymity matters. Imagine this. You successfully infiltrated a target, but if anyone traces your actions back to you, the entire operation is compromised. Staying anonymous means the difference between success and being caught. Hackers rely on anonymity to hide their identity, location, and actions. In the digital age, anonymity is the shield that protects hackers. Without it, every click, every command is a step closer to being exposed. Number 2. Methods hackers use to stay undetected. So, how do hackers stay off the radar? The first line of defense is using a VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN masks your IP address, rerouting your internet traffic through secure servers, making it impossible to trace your real location. Then there's Tor, the onion router. Tor works by bouncing your data through a network of servers worldwide, adding layers of encryption with each step. The result? A nearly untraceable trail, perfect for those who want to stay anonymous online. Hackers also use encrypted communication channels, ensuring that even if someone intercepts their messages, they can't be read. Encryption is like putting your conversations in a locked box, with the only key being in the hands of the sender and receiver. Number 3. The dark web and hidden markets for hackers. The dark web is another essential tool. It's a hidden part of the internet, inaccessible through traditional browsers. The dark web allows hackers to buy, sell, and exchange information without ever revealing their identity. Here, hackers can buy exploits, malware, or services, all while staying under the radar. The anonymity provided by Tor, along with cryptocurrency transactions, makes it nearly impossible to trace these activities back to the individuals behind them. Number 4. Staying safe and anonymous online. But anonymity isn't just for hackers. We all need to be aware of our own digital footprint. Hackers are constantly looking for weaknesses, whether it's in our online activity or personal information. Here's how you can protect yourself. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication on your accounts, and always use encrypted messaging apps. These basic steps can help keep your identity and data secure. Number 5. Real-world consequences of failing to stay undetected. Staying undetected is about more than just personal safety. It's a crucial part of protecting the integrity of your actions. Hackers caught without anonymity face serious legal consequences. The same goes for any breach of security in your personal life. One slip-up, one failure to protect your identity, and everything is at risk. Number 6. Closing thoughts. The takeaway in the world of hacking and cybersecurity: staying anonymous is everything. It's the first rule of engagement, the secret weapon that ensures your actions remain hidden. Whether you're a hacker or someone trying to protect yourself online, understanding the importance of anonymity is essential in today's connected world. Protect your privacy. Stay anonymous. Stay protected. Stay one step ahead. Subscribe for more tips on cybersecurity and protecting your digital identity.